Recording in progress.
Welcome to EIP Editing Office Hour, meeting number 71. This is issue number 1721 on Ethereum/PM repo. This meeting is going to cover EIP plus ERC related pull request. On agenda, we have a couple of finals, a few review, miscellaneous and draft proposals, and we are joined by editor Sam Wilson. Thank you, Sam, for joining us here today. Maybe we can go ahead and get started with the final one, and then we'll get into the proposal, which is shared by one of the authors who is present over here.
Sure thing. So going from last call to final. Okay. What change did you request? Oh, yeah, okay. All right. We'll flip you to split, and we'll give you a read. So expirable NFTs and SPTs, non-fungible NFT and solvent SPT tokens with expiration, time limit use cases, that's good. Moving to final. Introduce an extension for non-fungible tokens, solvent tokens, expiration mechanism, and tokens become valid after a predefined period. This additional layer of functionality that ensures the expiration mechanism does not interfere with existing NFTs or SPTs, preserving transferability for NFTs and compatibility with current dApps, such as yep, that's all fine. Yep, before this EIP NFTs, custom mapping, such as inconsistent, yep. Okay. That all looks good. Must implement the EIP ERC. Yep, okay. Sure, is token expired, it's used for treating this as good. Okay. Yeah, okay. So they just applied my change there. Good, that's fine. Yeah, that seems good. Let's go to final with you. Actually, wait, we should check this one last time. Not that I suspect there's... Yeah, okay, we're good. Cool. So that can move to final. Now moving on to 7878. Hasn't been reviewed yet. Okay, bequeathable contracts, inheritance of tokens after the owner's death. Perfect. ECIP proposes an interface contracts for tokens to be inherited after the owner's death. Allows tokens to set up a will, and yep, that's fine. Crypto tokens in general. Okay. Bequeathable interface. Okay. Yep, that seems fine. Nice and simple. Let's make sure there's no ongoing discussions. Yeah, I mean, that's not really technical conversation, so I think we're okay to approve this.
Hey, so we have two standards added today.
Yeah.
The next one we can perhaps take a look is ERC 1149 is the PR number. Yeah. I think it has already been reviewed before, and we have author on the call to answer any further question.
All right. So, okay. Just going into draft. Okay. Okay. Should expose the domain 5267, 5267. Okay, type hashes. Okay. That's an interface. Okay. 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 Cool. So let me do this. I think most of these I can just apply now, and you can fix the other ones later on. Yeah.
So with these changes, this proposal can be merged as a draft today.
Yep.
All right.
Yeah. So
And later on, he can come back with other changes when moving
exactly.
to review. Perfect. Yeah.
All right. Cool.
All right. We can move on to the reviews proposals. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Actually, can I just edit this one? That might be, no, I can't. Okay. $363. Is it homomorphic? No, I always forget. Yeah. Cool. Otherwise, I think this is pretty good. Cool.
I'm looking at the earlier approved PR 1178. It seems it's not getting merged, although the bot says that all reviewers have approved it. Do you think?
Yeah, it's because
But it seems the changes requested by Victor is also, yeah, incorporated.
cool.
Oh, it's merged now. Thank you.
Okay, HD Wallet and Treasury Management. Okay. It's going into review. Okay. This proposal aims to provide a stabilized method for on-chain treasury management assets. Okay, with rapid development of blockchain and DeFi, secure management of on-chain assets, traditional private key management struggles to meet that. Yep, that's fine. That's that blob. Let's just the following. Okay, link to the BIP. Good. Good. Yeah, that looks great. Here we go. So it was 7908, 7829. Oh, this one was approved. Why didn't you approve? Because to add to the motivation. Okay, let's see if that's been done. Yeah, it has indeed. You're going to merge, or you're just going to sit there?
Yeah.
Dismiss. There we go. There we go. 7829 7518. Just give me 1 minute here. Okay. This is moving into review. Dynamic Compliant Interop Security Token. DCIST. Yes. Security token framework semi-fungible partitions for dynamic regulatory compliance management and cross-chain interoperability. All right. This proposed security token extends the ERC 1155 to provide a flexible framework for managing compliant real asset security tokens. It introduces the concept of partitions, where each token ID represents a distinct partition with its own set of rights and privileges. Okay. Token locking. It's weird. Okay, for the morning includes features essential for security tokens such as token lock for vesting or holding periods, fresh transfers for recovery in case of less keys, address freezing for regulatory compliance, efficient payment mechanisms, and dynamic compliance management using off-chain vouchers. By providing a standardized interface for these features, yep, good, it's fine. I'm sure that's an interface. Retrieve the transfer balance, must calculate return the transfer balance, ID, IE. And line 470. Okay. Did we like sneak into rationale? No? Okay. Okay, cool. So 7518. So now to MISC, remove legacy deposit and ETH1 data fields.
It looks like this is already approved but not merging for some reason.
Yes, it's yeah, it's missing these things.
Do we need to leave a message?
I mean, I could just take care of this stuff, I think. Yeah, this shouldn't be too bad. So this needs to change to 8015, I think. Yeah. Okay, then we need, I've got a lot of messages on here. I should take care of those too. So this is EIP 8015. EIPs. Okay, so we can grab this, bring it over here. Put that there. Okay. So what else do we need to fix here? We needed the tail is too long. That's that. Yeah, okay. So that should fix that. This needs to be linked as well. So let's see if that will merge now. Good. Yeah, that one doesn't matter too much. Link check. So this should merge when this is finished. I'll probably need to reapprove it though. Cool. Let's go take care of some of these because I will forget otherwise. Bunch of likes. Okay.
This is a very good message system that they have created at Eat Magician.
What do you mean?
I mean, I like it because it helps us manage things, right? We need to, I mean, there are certain tasks that we can perform by getting these notifications directly.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. They're super useful. Okay, wait, what's going on this one? Okay, this isn't directed at me, I don't think. Cool. (8170) to 8174. Really? 8174. Huh. Yeah, weird.
So this change is for EIP template, not for EIP1, right?
Yeah, yeah. It's just weird that we made that mistake.
It's good to know that people are following it very closely.
Yeah, yeah. So that means we also need to change this in Ethereum ERCs. Okay, so that's taken care of. So this one here, 7980, fix issues. So, and EIP. I mean, these are super nitpicky, but that's okay.
Yeah, that's why I have added in miscellaneous, like, yeah.
Yeah, this is fine. So why didn't this merge? Are you in final, maybe? You're in draft. And then the author is Sir Spudlington. Sir Spudlington approved. Ah, that's why. So this should merge itself in a sec. Grammar and spelling corrections. Okay. Your draft. Yeah. Okay, wait, this is in draft, right? Yeah. I'm going to have to force merge this now. Oh well, it's okay. Non-relative links. Why? What's wrong with you? So 8015. That, did I paste that there? I must have. Weird. What's the other one? Good. Okay. So that's 7864. So contract feature detection. Okay. Method to publish and detect contract features that lack an ERC 165 interface. Okay. Consider method to publish and detect what features. So ENS. Okay. Features any property of a contract that cannot be expressed via ERC 165. The feature name should be a reverse domain name that uniquely identifies its application. Okay. Featured in a supports feature. Yep. Oh, you do have a May, so I guess. So it goes up here. Okay. Cool. Yeah, that certainly looks like spam.
Yeah, we can just close it.
Look, another one. Okay. Cool. Change specific subsection. Ah, this is my own PR.
But it has been approved, I guess, so you can go ahead and merge it. I don't know for what reason it did not get merged.
Oh, it won't auto merge to the template.
Okay.
Yeah. At least I'm pretty sure it doesn't auto merge to the template. Okay, multi-dimensional gas metering, gas accounted by EVM resource, resource minimal changes to protocol and UX. Cool. Abstract. This proposal introduces multi-dimensional gas metering, changing the way we account for gas use at the block level. This enables Ethereum to increase throughput and better control excess resource use through minimal changes to the protocol in the US. During transaction execution, gas is metered for each resource dimension, such as compute and state. At the transaction level, everything remains unchanged. The transaction still pays fees according to the sum of gas used across all resources, and so has a single gas limit imposed on the same sum. However, at the block level, only the gas used in the bottleneck resource is considered when checking if the block is. Oh, interesting. When updating the base fee for the next block, this gives a new meaning to the block's gas limit and the block's gas target, which now corresponds to the maximum gas that can be metered in the bottleneck resource. This process separates transaction pricing, in essence, the way of measuring consumption of resource by transactions from block metering. More concretely, introduces the monster. Oh, my monitor just decided to turn off for a second there. Okay, we're back. Specification, operation gas cost. And at the multidimensional metering model, EVN operations are assigned a cost factor. Who's pure compute operations, compute ops. Oh, they actually split it up into like separate documents. That's nice. Okay. Actually, I don't think that's just useless. Okay. The operations listed in blah are assigned a gas cost factor equal to compute cost where memory cost. It's defined by the function calculate gas extend memory. I assume that's Ethereum. It is. So let's go and grab, let's say, yeah, so it'll probably be in BM gas. Do some of gas cost factor to the operation listed in blah is TBD, okay. Log operations, 7 of gas cost factor to the operations listed in log ops is TBD, pending benchmarks. Okay. Under the multi-dimensional metering model, each transaction's intrinsic cost is defined by blah, calculated intrinsic cost. Similarly, a nice link to that. Gas account percentage with a six-dimensional cost factor. The gas account dirty box execution also changes. I keep track of a single total gas use. Representing the ith operation of a transaction, say op with the cost factor blah. The following variables are updated. Gas remaining for the transaction is the sum of these things. You do 64-bit unsended and Okay. Benefits of this proposal, triple gains. Okay. Okay, that's all fine. Balance. Okay. And then these are just lists of operations. Perfect. Cool. And I think that's all the time we have for today. So thanks everybody for coming out. If we didn't get to your proposal, I'm sorry. I'll get to it when I can. I guess our next meeting is in 2 weeks, or do we have one next week as well?
Yes, the next meeting is in 2 weeks. Thank you, Sam, for taking our time. And yeah, so
My
happy
pleasure.
to see new proposals getting in, and we have 2 finalists as well here today.
Yeah, it's exciting.
Yep. All right. See you in 2 weeks.
See you.